Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this lab environment, we are given multiple real world web security challenges. Each one focuses on a specific vulnerability or testing technique used in ethical hacking, from CSRF to HTTP history analysis and XSS. These labs are designed to simulate how actual applications behave when they are vulnerable. Instead of random theory, this is hand on, where you can actually see how data flows, how requests work, and where things go wrong. For this exercise, let's select HTTP Hunt Lottery Challenge. If the server is exposing price links or tokens in the response, a hacker can directly assess them without actually winning. Turn on the Foxy proxy, switch to Burp Suite, open Burp Suite, and turn the intercept on. Time to play. Click on Try Your Luck, and here we have the GET request. Right click and send it to repeater. Go to the repeater tab, click send, and in the response section you can see, sorry you did not win this time, but it also reveals the prize link. Copy the link, get back to the challenge page, and replace index.php with the copied token from the burp suite. Hit enter and it's done. You won the prize. So in this challenge, we saw how a simple looking lottery system can leak sensitive data through HTTP responses. Using Burp Suite, we intercepted the request, analyzed the response, and uncovered hidden information that was not visible on the front end. The key takeaway is never trust what you see in the browser. Always check what the server is actually sending. That's where our real vulnerabilities exist and where real hackers find their edge. Thanks for watching.